In this video, I will show you how to get shortcuts on Snapchat Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. When you get up right here, you need to go on your profile icon to take up on your settings bar on your right upper side. And when you get right over there into your settings side on your Snapchat, you need to scroll right down and you're gonna find out many different sites in which also it will be included. Support, I need help, or simply can go for take up and report, but now I will go for I need help. And when you get there, as you can see, now you're gonna be available to choose up between many sites which are right here. And right now what you're gonna do, simply you need to go on that selection, which is by contacting us. As you can see right over here, it doesn't shows up that setup between on that slides. Go on it, and as you can see here, you have many different sites in which you need to choose up one to take up to the next level. Now here we're gonna select, for example, the site which is I can't select this setup, and now here you need to go for what's wrong, or you're gonna go, I have a privacy question and I want to change my privacy settings. And then when you get into that selection, you can follow all these instructions in which you're gonna take over and take to that selectionable option.